What are emergent structures? So, conceptual integration is not merely the addition of two input spaces. Instead, integration of two inputs creates a new meaning that were not present in either of the sources. Hence, emergent structures arise as a result of multiple projections of elements from input mental spaces onto the blended space. Now let's see its application and see how it explains the surgeon-butcher example. The blending theory is able to account for the negative assessment associated with this example by using emergent structure. In the input space for butcher, named input 2, we have a highly skilled professional. However, in the blend, these skills are inappropriate for performing surgery on human patients. While surgeons attempt to save lives, butchers perform their work on dead animals. When we blend the concept of a surgeon with that of a butcher, we get an emergent structure that combines elements from both. This includes aspects from the original concept of surgery and butchery, as well as new features that emerge from the blend, like a surgeon who performs an operation using the skills of butchery. This individual does not exist in either of the input spaces. The structure in the blend is emergent because it emerges from adding together structure from the inputs to produce an entity unique to the blend as a mismatch between the goal, which is healing, and the means, which is butchery.
Blending theory refers to various types of connector between mental spaces as vital relation. A vital relation is a link that matches two counterpart elements or properties. These vital relations give rise to compression in the blend. In other words, the blend compresses the distance or tightens the connection that holds between the counterparts in the mental space. Here is an example where different times and different identities are compressed. So what you see in this picture is a dinosaur named Velociraptor who is chasing a dragonfly, and you see that from one picture to the next picture, Velociraptor becomes more and more bird-like until in the last picture it starts looking like a present-day bird catching the dragonfly. Now what this picture tells is one of the Lamarckian type of evolution where dinosaur trying to catch the dragonfly and that somehow passes some of his characteristics to its predecessors. Now all these dinosaurs and all these dragonfly of course are different individuals, but what this picture invites you to think of is that on some level they really are same. So you can compress them into one animal that changes from being a velociraptor into being a little songbird, even when this happened at different evolutionary time scale.
Created using Powtoon.